Good evening to you. If you're wondering what's happening today, we're not on our normal time slot. We're on a slightly different time slot, but it's for a valid reason, right? We have international superstar here. He goes by the name originally by Mr. Foster. That's Delroy Isaac Foster is the social name, the government name, otherwise known as Delly Ranx is live here in the studios with us. Good evening, sir. How are you doing today?
Blessed love, my brother. Me there, I go and hold it and control it in the nice England, yeah. It nice, you see?
You come a nice time, you know. I right time you forward, you know, when you're nice and cool, you know.
Yeah, man, we like it when it's cool and we just bring the warmth from Jamaica here.
Of course. Good evening.
It's not too cold, is it?
Yeah, it's not that cool. It's all right.
Yeah, it's cool.
What brings you across?
A whole heap of things, man.
We know you, because the question we should ask is what side of your expertise brought you across? Is it
Well, we have to big up the elegance and class boss, Nico. You know, I came across for the New Year's Eve, elegance and class at Cavendish Banqueting Suite.
Yeah, we saw that.
The other day, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, the people came out.
It
And
definitely
we had
was.
a ball there.
It was a good show. I
Yeah,
seen
we had a
clippings
ball
of it.
there.
Yeah. And so you're here for that show. So any other things in the works here? Is there any music
Yeah,
business
we're
here?
doing recording and promoting because if you're an artist, you have to always up for promotion.
Of course.
Promotion is just like gratitude. It's a must.
Of course. But you have so much hits, and it's hard as an interview person to actually know what angle to come at you at, because you're so prolific into the production side and also the music side as an artist. You're very potent in music as well. You have loads of hits that's not even say that for yourself, but you are in control of so many artists' hits behind the scenes, because I know a little bit about your works. I know I don't really want to say everything that you did because some people might get offended, but obviously you have a lot of weight under your belt. Talk to me about your recent music now. What has been the change in how you do things now from how you did it then?
Now I'm grown, so I'm not gonna do stuff that I've done earlier in my career. Like, you know, I'm singing for mature audience. I'm trying to bring the younger folks on the mature level also.
Yeah.
I still do dabbling in my little dancehall, dabbling in my reggae, do great productions. Always try to connect with the younger folks.
Mm-hmm.
Because as Granny tell us, say, if you forget where you come from, you don't have nowhere to go. And I was once a young artist. I was once a nobody.
Yeah.
So I always have to try work with the younger ones, the nobodies, to make them be somebody.
Makes sense. But you managed to stay out of all that politics and every little thing. We never really hear the ranks no mix up. And that's hard for a dancehall artist.
No, you see, even when me have songs I go on, me as a youth not like the spotlight.
Why?
I just come and do my thing. And no, because, you see, hype is like bubble gum. It tastes
Explain.
nice when you put it in your mouth, but after a couple chews, it wear out.
So well, I know because you're getting that we would call it that producer money or that unknown success. We're out of the public eye. Just decide to live a nice life one side.
No. You know, to stay. People say me humble, I'ma work with it. You know, and if you stay in the limelight too much, it sometimes they gonna make you do things where you don't want to do. And them gonna say that's not you, and it take you away from yourself. So I be myself.
You have a song similar to that as well, Staying Away from the Crowd.
Move left the crowd.
Move Left the Crowd.
Yeah.
Is that intentionally, or is it just you find yourself at that place that the crowd has shifted from you and you just decide to
No,
stay
man,
yourself?
when I say move left the crowd, me not really talk the crowd itself, because if the crowd not come out, me not have no job. That's why I say, me not move with the crowd, me I move left the crowd, because too much hypocrite and bad mind in the crowd. Like, some people will tell us, say, TGM radio are the baddest radio, and them themselves, I eat that boy, them are ray.
Yeah.
You know, so me try move with people that on my level, where can elevate me, where can make me feel like I'm here for a purpose. Because some people here to only use you.
Makes sense. Which side you like better? You like the production side or the artist side?
I love music.
I was expecting that, but your music speaks to a lot, and more so the newer stuff that I listen to you is more positive. It's more as you say, you're more grown, you're more mature.
Yeah.
It's a good direction, but in terms of what's happening now with the trendy stuff, how do you find yourself fitting in with the market now? Because if you listen to like the Six music, it's totally different from like your type of stuff. How do you?
Because the Six is new. Maybe 10 years down the line, Six maybe I think like how me I think. Because you can't stay upon one thing. Because if you stay upon it, it's not good for the body. You know? So you have to try to elevate at all times. While the world evolving, you have to evolve with it.
Yeah.
You know, like the Six them come now, for them thing new, and you have to congratulate them because I love for them vibe.
Yeah.
Last year it was some different, the year before it was some different type of youth, some
Yeah.
different type of music. This year you're gonna hear some 7 and 8 and 9.
But all right, maybe you're the perfect person to answer this question. People have been saying that dancehall music has been shifted. The music is becoming more like of a trap sounding. Obviously, you're a producer. You make beats, you make rhythms. You are responsible for a lot of the music in 90s sound.
Yeah.
What has happened? Have you been stopped doing that type of music because people is saying that they're not getting that music, or is it they're not consuming it, or what's happening? You tell me from your point of view.
All right. To me, what the youth them a do now, them a do great because them a do for them generation.
Mm-hmm.
And we can't go on like we want them just be like us. Them have to be themselves.
Mm-hmm.
You understand me? Listen this now. Back in the 70s when Rocksteady a go on, when One Drop Reggae a go on, man say, yo, wanna change the thing on all this a go on, then them say dancehall come, and then the Rocksteady and the reggae people them say, yo, you change the thing and you do this and you do that. And then the youth them come with them thing now.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody, and music them a do, so every one of us can come together and make this music a music.
No, I wanna hear like the producer side of it. You know, what you think about like the production that's coming out of Jamaica in terms of the quality of the music, the quality of the sound. Are we losing our identity as a Jamaican dancehall artist or reggae artist?
No, them not lose it. Only thing me say I go on is like when me a come up, you can't have one tune and say you headline a show. You have to have more than one song and you have to do practice and get the stagecraft right.
Reason why I said that because we know like most of the prolific One Drop reggae rhythm built for the last, I would say 5 years is made outside of Jamaica. Most of the big massive hitters made outside of Jamaica.
Brother, and I lose it. Sometimes, just like, I don't know if you eat chicken, but I know you don't eat chicken every day, or if you eat vegetable, you don't eat vegetable every day.
Yeah.
You know, so sometimes you have to get a breather, relax. Like myself, I take time out of music to deal with family. Because when you take a time out to see what I go on, give somebody else some run and make them do them thing. And right now, me I learn from the youth them.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah, in terms of the production side of it, I would
Everything,
say like,
everything. Because right now, the youth them production thing at work. Some people may not like it. Because them I say, and I feed them style that.
I don't have a problem
but
with
you have a generation where accept that. And I say, our thing where we used to do, where our kind of people them love. I say, yo, we don't want to hear that because that old.
Yeah.
So we have to know, say, the new generation that do for them thing. What we have to do is try to introduce them to our thing more than knock them down.
Yeah. Show them the way.
All
you
right.
know? So me not knock them because at the end of the day, look upon even are you like popcorn. They see him link with the elders them and I do him thing.
Yeah.
We need more artists to talk like you in terms of the music business space because
Yes.
I think you should know by now you ain't getting no young.
Brother,
You ain't a spring chicken.
Yeah, brother,
So
may I
basically,
tell you this?
You have to pass on the button correctly.
But when I tell you this, brother, and as a youth I do it over 30 years now, Zane, anytime you do good things, it's hard for them see it.
Straight.
Because
Are you take
like
a while for them see it?
no, it's hard for them see it because even a youth like myself, I feel like them not giving no good ratings. Them more, yeah, him do that and him do that and him do, yeah, yeah. But the mass with fear put me up on the pedestal and said that youth, yeah, one of the youth them will glorify them. Nah, do it.
Hold on.
I think your name is respected.
Hold on now, Delly. You ever hear about the things where them say a king never get crowned in him own town or a man never
True.
get a year until him dead?
True,
Yeah.
me
So,
hear about that.
You have to look
but me no want
no.
them wait till me
You
dead
don't
them
want
talk
them.
about him did great. Tell me now.
You have to
Give
look
me
at
it now.
life this way. Yeah? Say people not gonna see your accolades we achieve in life until like either you step out of the business or you decide to stop, and when people actually researching on you, they're more like, I am to do that.
That's why I'm
No,
never
working
move with the
because-
crowd.
Because
Move left the crowd.
Yeah.
because
Yes.
a lot
I
of
do
people
agree with that.
a lot of people don't know, like you have Grammy material
He
under
win
your belt.
Grammy, yeah.
See,
And Grammy, I
See,
think he win Grammy with the
Sean Paul album.
album.
What's the name? Dirty
Dirty
Rock.
Rock.
Yeah.
Dirty Rock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that big top hitter rhythm where everybody know the Red Bull and Guinness rhythm, and that featured on Billboard chart again with the Movada song.
Yeah.
So you have a lot of great work behind your belt.
Yeah. My favorite rhythm when you do is Cotton Swab. Up till this day.
Yo, brother, I'm gonna tell you.
I love that rhythm.
I just do work, yeah, man.
I love that
you
rhythm
know, you
dearly.
see how Uno love the works.
Yeah.
You have other
Definitely.
people who love it when not talk, but them love it.
Yeah.
You understand? So the greatest thing about this life, where we all live, just do you.
It makes sense.
That's how it is.
Okay, so, all right. Like how you're doing in the UK now, you heard about what's happening a couple months ago with David Radigan saying that Afrobeat is replacing dancehall in the UK here. Are you here now to trying to dabble in a little Afrobeats thing and then bring it towards your production?
Brother, me I do music.
Mm.
And that's David Radigan opinion. Him can say what he want to say. Because him in the space for feel like say that I go on. Because it's just like the trap. Right?
Yeah.
Them a say the trap a take over, or the youth them a do too much trap and them not do about that. Afrobeat is just a higher tempo a dancehall. It's a faster dancehall.
Yeah.
So it's dancehall. If you listen it,
To be honest,
It
it
is
make you
dancehall.
dance.
I agree with
in
you.
the hall. So a
in terms of-
dancehall.
In terms of like the beat arrangement in a lot of the Afrobeat songs, I could see a lot of dancehall aspect out of it. To be honest,
Most music.
and
reggae.
It's
Yeah,
coming from
dancehall.
we
dancehall or
know because we love music and we grew up in a Jamaica where music always playing everybody also.
Yeah.
There come a time where dancehall been borrow some things from the hip hop. No,
Yeah.
you see them go back to the trap thing and then borrow a couple
But
little
yeah,
things out of
because
it.
here what the thing
You have
is.
to move with the time.
You know what I go on? I'ma feel like most of my peers will do this.
Yeah.
Stop compete.
That's the problem.
Let us come
See,
together.
Yeah.
Crab in a
Complement
barrel.
each other instead of compete with each other. Because if you go one party go play, you can't play the 5,000 song them in a one night.
Definitely.
And you're gonna do your segment and you're gonna do good. And him gonna do theme segment and do good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What we do now, we two we do good in a two segment. Yeah, what? Make we link up and do a segment. So all of us do good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you see, there are only certain people or some people would really even have that frame of mind.
Well, I'm tell you next thing. Even the selectors them where play. You know say una the leader when you go in at the party to play.
Yeah.
So you can introduce to the people where you want them to feed pan.
It's different here if you just
No, because listen
Yeah.
this.
yeah.
Because most of the DJ them a play for the forward.
And
Yeah,
when
play
they
for
pull
the
up.
forward, and if you play some songs and them don't know it, you feel like you flap. You not flap. You just have to be different. And most time the difference work. It only take a time.
It does, but in regards to UK, I understand in Jamaica when we used to up on the block, we know how it go. If a song come and him not known and him play a good set, people still will give him a look for and say, all right, he never too hot it up, but yeah, well, more listen to him next time.
Yeah.
Over here in the UK, it's different. You see, if you're not one of the heavy hitters,
Yeah.
people don't give you the time of the day.
But what I want to know is, you never go out or one dance or a party yet and you hear a no name play when nobody never know yet, and that person that do so good, you want to hear them again.
That happens before
Yeah.
a lot, but the problem, the opportunities doesn't present itself here because it's a different.
It's there.
It is
It's
there,
there.
It's
but
just the mind frame of the people.
That's-
where you DJ have to control and make them know say, yo, here we go on. Me know you used to the 6 and the 7 and the 8. But see a 10 year.
but it's a whole,
I'm gonna tell you, back in the 90s when we used to go to House Ali and I listen to Rory.
yeah.
Rory say, yo my people, you're here right now. And I want to introduce a song to you right now. You may not like it today when I play it, but I guaranteed the next 2 weeks you're gonna love this song. And boom, and bust it.
But the thing, it's all right. Let's explain the
And
difference then.
but not change. Because if you look on the clock never go to 24 hours. you know.
The clock has changed here in the UK. That's
No.
what I'm trying to let me
The
explain.
clock not. Well, I'm gonna tell you about the clock.
All right, go
The
on.
clock tick
Yeah.
to 23 hours.
Yeah.
59 minutes
And then it
and
change
59 seconds, and it
Go
goes
back to
0,
zero.
0, 0. It never changed.
All right, can
Is us supposed to bring forth what you need?
All right, can I explain why
No,
I'm
I
explaining?
like,
that,
I like,
understand?
I like this.
All right,
This interview.
Let me explain to you. You see in Jamaica,
Yes, sir.
obviously the dance, Jamaica is a dancer place, people accept it.
Yeah.
And the party scene and the raving scene is different. Over here, most of the raves them, they're starting from, say, realistically, start from 2:33 and they finish by 5.
Over here.
Over here
Over
in the
here.
UK.
Okay, all right.
I'm going to talk for London. So most of the parties them finish 5 o'clock and the real party starts from, say, 2:30 to 3. There's not enough time there for any to breed much new talent.
Yeah, man, there, man. All right, I can tell you this now. The youth are one bus. You
Yeah.
go there from 12 o'clock when nobody no
No
dead.
one's there.
Listen, yeah, that's what I'm just saying.
Yeah.
You go there from 12 o'clock when nobody no dead.
Yeah.
You play some unleaded tune. Cause
Yeah.
even the man where cook the soap, him a go dead. The person who a set up a go dead.
Yeah.
So by time him play a little set, cause him have to warm up before the big dog them come. But so the big dog them then near for come and the people them are coming.
Yeah.
You play where you want play. That's all.
Yeah. That's true. I understand.
that-
you.
that-
I
that's
can,
true.
I can.
Because I can tell you this. Even in a stage business, you know, so the opening act get the most time.
Yeah, of course. We know that.
So all him have to do is make opportunity at a time that way him get.
Yeah.
True.
True. All right.
So it can happen.
Makes sense. Hopefully, it will change soon. Jagan?
Let me just put our opinion on that topic. You see, the day and age is how people consume music, or when somebody go to an event or a stage or anything, people directly come to see what they want to see. So some of the time, people are turning a blind eye to anything else what's happening. Either the building, if the building is burning down, they don't really care. And over here, as Rick said, in this industry,
Different, man.
I think some of the, what do you call it, the top guns, they should do a better job to introduce the young talent properly to
Because
this
he not live- he not really live here, so you don't
to the
understand that.
forefront, because like
Yeah, but
you have been in the business almost 30 years.
Over 30.
over there.
All right, over 30 years. Yeah. If I never get that space or somebody take the time out to kind of show you a bit of love to introduce you to the business the right way, you would not get certain knowledge. You would have to go through it the hard way. And no, because we're in this day and age where now our culture is kind of, what I would say is brain drain, because all the kids them from Europe know dancehall culture and the reggae culture better than enough Jamaican, because we as
Yeah.
Jamaican people, we don't read a lot and we don't take time out to study our culture and our craft. So those who are there before us, if they see somebody who's young and upcoming, and you say, yo, we have potential, I think you should kind of, look at him and give him a bit of mentorship, endorse him.
Yeah.
You have some big selector when you and them play together in a party, or some big artists, and somebody where not at the same caliber as them, but they have the talent.
Them look down
They
upon them.
kind of
Look down,
underplay them.
definitely.
Yeah.
And I see it
But
happening
you a lot of
all
that
the
when
time
you
in
get Jamaica,
Jamaica.
boy.
It
Big
happen a
big
lot.
artists dissing small
a
artists.
business, in,
Yeah.
and sometimes them see as a competition. As I told you earlier, we must stop compete and complement each other.
Exactly.
See?
And that's one of the
for
biggest
me-
problem we have here in
For
the
me,
UK.
Yep.
when me I come up, I just do me not like calling you what me I do. Zine, a whole heap of artists want to see I go on now. Them come through the school and me perform on our stage and call them on, and them do better than me. And even the manager would have say, yo, Delly, you idiot. Oh, you call him on and make him come do better than you. Me I help somebody.
Because, hold on, Jordan at one time was kind of under your mentorship in a sense.
Yeah.
And I
Enough
don't
of
think
them
a lot of people
chimney
know
them
and
as well.
get
No,
get
but
the get
alright,
the
if
privilege.
you talk
to get-
about Jordan, if you call Jordan and ask him, I mean name Chimney Records. I mean name them.
Yeah.
See it there?
Same
See me,
thing.
but
didn't know.
But me not do that for the hype. Me do that because me help out the youth. The youth them talented,
Yeah.
and we see the talent, and me I say, yo, we are do this. Just like when me just meet Steven, and me hear the talent, and me see the talent, and me work with it. You know, but we make the pop the cotton so a beat, and me hear Popcorn. Me
Yeah.
hear him before we record him,
Yeah.
So people
and
who
we
don't,
reach out.
And
who
you
don't,
And him reach out,
And
and
I think
it's smashing it.
I think that's one of his biggest hits so far. Me not seen a song
You see me?
hit bigger than for Popcorn right now.
So
in
in
UK.
the industry of music where we in, even in any industry you're in at all,
Yeah.
you must always learn and try to take risk. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't
No,
work.
it's a gamble, innit?
You know?
Of course.
to be
So
honest,
for me,
Yeah.
I can tell you this. When I go party or I go show, I not go there for go on like me better than nobody. I just go there for go do my work. If you accept me, you accept me. If you don't accept me, you just don't accept me. It's just my day today or not my day today. I'll wheel and come again.
Simple.
Straight.
All right. So what are you working with now? What do you have anything materials that you're
A whole heap
promoting?
of things I go on now. And
What
now
go
you
on?
talk about what I go on. Alright. I have a new EP out. It's called I Need Your Love. Comprised of 7 tracks.
Is
Yeah.
it sound like a love?
I have a love track on
Like
it.
it's
Me
a
have
one-drop
some-
thing.
No man, it have African beats and this and all type of
See
things.
what I talk about?
It varies. I'm also working on an album with John, that's Jammy's son,
Jamison, yeah.
King Jammy's son, John. Big up yourself, John. You know Gargamel, Buju Banton, we work with him too. You know.
You have music coming up with Gaga.
Produce track- I produce track with
Any
Buju
more hits
Banton.
with Buju Banton, you should say, because I know you got that song from back in the days.
I've
with
track
Buju.
that I produce with Buju Banton. Soon come out. Mad something. Real dancehall too.
Real
See,
dancehall.
So
See,
why?
um,
What do you classify as real dancer?
Real dancehall. You know the real dancehall song. Boom, boom.
Early 2000,
Bassline.
late 90s.
Yeah.
Nice. Not too much nice something in it and them
Yeah.
thing there. And
Because people
real vibe. Real vibe when you can sit down in your house and play it, and when you go in there and dance, it feel the same way.
So go on, fuck you.
Funny thing is, we were talking about that when we left Empire Casino the other night. We're saying they're not making the rhythms like they used
They
to.
used to make it. That's why
I just did a collaboration with Pressure Bus Pipe.
Yeah.
Because me I work with Delly Ranx career, you know. Me I work with Pure Music Productions.
Yeah.
You know. I
do you
suppose-
find that tiring?
I love music. Music not tiring.
Yeah, but they're two different hats because Delly Ranx
No man,
is,
a one hat is a music hat.
Yeah.
It just have a lot
One
of
umbrella.
branches, but a one hat. And if you love music, I can't sing and produce at the same time, but I can produce myself. You get that?
Yeah.
yeah, so the
Definitely.
production side of life, like how you live in the States. Are you still living in the States, I should say?
Me live anywhere, them put
So-
me. Right now, I London, me live.
All right, so I know the last couple of years that I check you wasn't living in Jamaica, you was living in the States. So
Yeah, me live in Jamaica, me live at the States too.
in terms of the production side, isn't easier to get things done when you are in Jamaica? In terms of the production to get the
Depends
artists
on
and
where
the
you
key
want. Where you-
quicker and
No. Depends
on
on where you
what you
want.
want.
Depends on where you want. Because remember, I said the artists them are travel now, you know. And you have a thing named Skype. You have a thing named WhatsApp video.
yeah.
You have all type of Facebook video call. So me can send a rhythm to you and say, yo, me 10 o'clock we are going to studio. And you in your studio, me the home or in my studio. And we are make the music now. Connect. Yo, don't say that. Say it that way, yeah. Yo,
Technology.
take back that song.
But isn't a better vibe when everybody in the studio, you know, having a drink, having a smoke,
No,
just vibing to it
no,
and
yeah, but
it's not.
Jagan,
It's,
it's like-
listening to like the studio quality of
you know what?
equipment.
It's not that in a brother. Cause you know, time change. Cause one time gone, we couldn't do this.
Yeah.
Zane and me could have stayed with me there and you call me.
Yeah.
And we talk like this same way.
Yeah.
It just a come to a phone. The thing about it is like now, as me tell you earlier, you know, we not compete be. If you there Jamaica and me want producer Jamaica, me can't forward down there now. And me send you the rhythm. All you have to do is just be one of them people there where you can work with. And you know, but make your ego come spoil it. Because
Straight.
sometimes a man to him can voice himself in a bathroom, him feel like him don't want to hear from you, him just want to do a thing and send it to you. And sometimes him make a mistake or him say something where you want him change or you want her to change and she say, yo, me not change nothing, so me make it stay. But if you work with people who really want to work, it can work from anywhere in the world.
Okay, we are on this work topic now. I need to ask this because I want to know personally, and a lot of people want to know. In terms of like the business side, getting things done with what do you call it, a young upcoming artist, what do you call a ghetto artist, or an international act. Or do you say, is it easy to work with a Jamaican artist who is from the ghetto, or is it very difficult in terms of an international act?
It's easy to work with any artist who want to work. Because
No,
you have
I'm
some-
talking about them behavior
No,
wise.
no, it's easy to work with any artist who want to work. Because an international act can have some filthy ways and you don't want to work with them. And a local act can have some filthy ways and you don't want to work with them. So if the person they want to work with you, them are going to work with you. Like, for instance, I have the new rhythm that I just put out the other day called Fire Stick.
Yeah.
With Sean Paul and Bugle and Ja Vinci version, myself, the Mark and everything.
Yeah.
It was easy to work with Sean Paul. It was so easy to work with the market. As a matter of fact, it was so easy to work with everybody because we are on the same head level.
Everybody on work.
Anybody experience with anybody like you living abroad and getting things done, or you want it on time?
Sometimes you want to work with some artists and you reach out, but you want to get it done at this specific time, but them not get it done the time where you want it done. You can't vex with them because you don't know what them have to do.
Yeah.
You understand? Because you have to, brother, you see, to me an artist, different from producer. Me know artist thing. Me will tell you, say, yo, me go come 8 o'clock, you know, say, and almost 9 o'clock me reach.
Yeah.
That's true.
So it go, you have to work with people. Is this thing named, every man are going like, the man they're supposed to be perfect.
Yeah.
None of us perfect.
So what about some artists with diva mentality?
Well, me not buck up on none of them yet.
Diva mentality, you know?
Because here and now, sometimes when the artist behave certain way, how you deal with them, or maybe in I'm early days of career, in our early days of our career, she reach out, or him reach out, and your style.
And your style, so the style.
So now them reach a point now where you need them can style back. A style for style.
A style.
And you have to just understand, say, yo, you know what, me now go carry it with me. I burden myself with this ego thing, yeah. Reach out. And you even can tell a man or a woman sorry, you know, when me did want to do this.
You never want
it.
It
never work, you know, because at the time that this did happen and this did that, man, go on and fix it.
Yeah.
Some of the time as people would think we need to be true to each other and just talk our genuine feelings.
Yeah, but
because
ego, brother, ego.
Yeah, get me?
Yeah, you see the brother name Ego, and the brother they cast everything.
Him cast everything.
And we want to introduce a bridging to the world, not only music,
to the
a
forefront.
brother name Understanding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you see ego and understanding them par, you know. But them still far from each other.
East and
Them
west.
part with them not brave together.
No, them not
Yeah.
brave. So it's just to understand somebody. Like if me want to record you, or you want to record me, and me not feel like me want to record on the rhythm where you send, or you not want to record on the rhythm where me send, just understand so it go. Me not for have you up, me not for carrying a belly for you.
Yo, listen.
And if me hear you do something good, me supposed to commend it, compliment it, make it feel good. Make when me see you say, yo, Jado Star, yo, that tune the bad.
Makes
and
sense.
then you find say the ear will breathe better in the ear.
Yeah.
No holy potential no there.
But I find out you saying this as a role model and a inspiration to enough youths out there, and there's not many people like yourself are sending in this message towards the newcomers. Because if you realize the newcomers on the dancehall scene, there, as Dragon was saying, the attitude, some of them is not quite there yet, and I think most of them need training, and because of the culture in dancehall, it's hard to kind of train some of them, because once a man get a one hit and he get a number one song, him feel like say,
Brother,
him
you
reach.
know say, me never stay like this 10 years ago. Or 15 years ago.
Where it come with age?
Come with experience. Some people may come and make the mistake to be a better person. You know, tap myself on my shoulder, me not really make much mistake or big mistakes.
All right. So like when I ask you that question, let me just switch it up a bit, all right? It's 2020 now, 2019 just finished. You may not want to get into this political, but I don't know, I ask you your view. In terms of the new artists, the breakout artists for 2019, who do you think is the standout artist? 2019.
I know for them.
No, but who you think would be? I'm not saying we're looking for a winner,
Is your opinion?
but somebody who did the best to you.
Enough for them do good because everybody have them own little part, you know.
So
Isn't
let's
it?
start numbers. Is anybody out of the 6 camp? Anything like that?
Well, all right. you have squash come do good.
Squash, no,
but
Squash at
Squash was in the business before.
2018.
2018.
So
I went
how
to-
was
Alright, like
2019?
the youth name
Daddy One and
Daddy One,
Chronicle.
Chronicle.
Yeah, well, alright.
Bobby 6.
All right, them youth, I don't know them, but people talking about them, that means
Yeah.
that them do something good.
Yeah.
You have the youth, one Javilani,
Yeah.
Zine, you have
You have
Chronicle,
Intense and come out the other
you
day.
have Iwater, Intense,
Yeah.
Zine, you have Coffee come out that last year.
No, Cuff come out last. No,
Yeah,
last year, 2018.
Okay,
Come out.
year before.
before.
Yeah.
Yeah, but, listen, Virgin, you just have some new set of artists who come out where do good. Zine, and the thing about it is, something like this, wanna ask, And that spoil the business sometimes.
Yes.
See, because if
But it's just the
listen me first. If the whole of them do good, some may do a little better, but we just make the whole of them be good.
Yes.
So it would just try to make a level playing field that the youth then feel like him better than a girl, the other girl feel like she better than a girl. You understand? Because we enjoy. Cause all of them make music what we like.
Of course, definitely.
So like how we talk that way, like I hopefully in the future we could see you and them doing some work together.
You know, so I reach out to Jabelani. I reach out. I like that. I went to some fest.
Yeah.
And I like how him sound like him record.
Yeah.
Okay.
Only thing, him never settle up on the stage good. But, you know, he's a young act. And
as well you said, those things come with experience.
Yeah, come with, him going to make a mistake and fix it. But I like how him sound on him record. Because him sound like him record on the stage.
Okay.
So, I wanted the good one that way. The good thing them.
Okay.
Yes.
Cool. Of course, people, if you just joining us, if you're live on Facebook with us, we have Delly Ranx in the studio here, live in the UK. And him there for a special occasion and him brought off a show for the New Year's.
Boy, the girl them say, I like my blazer star. The girl them said the purple blazer, take the night star.
Yeah.
Big up my brother Richard feelings because your red blazer go off.
Go off.
See?
I'm back to the girl that
Nico, your
about
blazer
it.
go off. And big up my Virgin Wayne Dawkins, Rattigan, Tallman, the whole of London crew, everybody from all walks of life will come out. I just want to wish you all a happy new year. Make sure this 2020 be the vision year where you can see everything and set it from here. So your life will be okay from this year on.
Alright, so here we go on. You don't know about the show, you don't know what really go on for the show. Anybody way forward, yeah, we have a little session where we'll look over a couple minutes, nothing new, we're not going to overdo it. But we're going to drop some song and we'll just do a little something.
Because we got man like Delly Ranx inside the building. You know, this is the part we call the freestyle. Because we don't pay nobody the money to do a part here. So they don't know. You wear too hot. So, yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. London massive, let me hear you. That one a name why? White people tan them skin. Why black people do the opposite thing? Why poor people always suffering? Why Kingston never name St. Catherine? Why cartel never name assassin? Why nowadays taxing dep on everything? Why Blackberry phone a fi a pin? Why dog can't talk and bird can't swim? Why wicked man invent gun? Why you seeing so fast anytime him a run? Why heart attack kill big pun? Why your so-called friends always bring you down? Why them never did call the moon sun? Why them never call stand up sit down? Why oranges never name plum? Why them never call the sky the ground? Why I just 12 months in the year? Why to make a phone call get so dear? Why the government raise bus fear? Why gun songs can't play upon the ear? Why the church them a get so empty? Why the thief them a get so plenty? Why pastor a carry lice machine? Why yellow yam never did name that sheen? Why some girl love take people man? Why some people worship Satan? Why Craigie Dread never name Ding Dong? Why them a try hold it back so long? Why hold it never name Cash Plus? Why some people love fight and fuss? Why the car them never name Bus? Why sleep never name wake up? Why the corner store never name Mall? Why the shark man them never name Tall? Why Peter never name Paul? Why American call rugby football? Why cassette never name CD? Why radio never name TV? Why you never name me? Why them not set education? We never move with the crowd, we a move left the crowd. Hypocrite and bad mind the inner the crowd. We no walk with the crowd, we a step left the crowd. Hypocrite and bad mind the inner the crowd. No for them my friend killer me shout it out loud. Hypocrite and bad mind the inner the crowd. Them can't get the OG, me nah shame me loud. Hypocrite and bad mind the inner the crowd. Me no follow back and no me no tracker. Never left me chopper cause me love in a kanaka. Not just some of me family can no for them a chatter. Them never want me to be a tapa tapa. But me eyes step on the price, them never realize. Them never go with the crowd where them mad fat eyes. One away soldier, left them surprised. A TGM till, hey, we no move with the crowd, we a move left the crowd. Alright, it's like how you mix like you have juice a mix. Alright, watch this now. It go like this. Alright. bang the lady, bang the lady, bang the lady, bang bang bang. Delly Ranking up repeat it again. Me and my friend them from TGM, right? Still. I do we ice and off here, it and give them headache. To state and give them
headache.
Bentley Park and we get it and give them
Headache.
Jesus Christ, I can't have studio. Champion popping up, we give them
Headache.
Enough girls tapping up, we give them
Headache.
I land on me there. You know what go? Alright, so I may say rude boy a pelper, man a no helper. All roses school, man from Spangler. TG bad boy school from Weber. Upnlive show. Alright, hey, rude boy a pelper, man a no pelper. Hear me now, no. You know say some man a go like them that like the girl them. You know what them a do?
What go on?
Them a fan them off, them a box them off, them a telephone, we a fax them off. Them a call on the rain for the girl them. Them a lightning and thunder the girl them. Get jiggy girl, get jiggy girl, get jiggy girl, get jiggy girl. Ready, 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 Delly, ready, when you, ready. Get jiggy girl, get jiggy. Alright, it's like how you mix so much. Listen this now, it new.
Alright.
Listen that silence.
Brand new people.
2020, we have enough works to be done. The pastor have enough church to be done. The doctor have enough nurse to be done. The gun and balloon have burst to be done.
New song. New song, people. New song. No, when you give me one little part of the new song, I don't want to just deal with this.
And now I give them no more. That one any name.
Alright, go on again.
Delly Ranking, on the banking. Father God, I will always thank him. Easy back day, Richie. Tell them, who not work with we, work round them. If them not like we not like them. When we go a dance, all we spend round them. Cause Delly Ranx don't want a hypocrite friend. Me tell them, I play a ear to we not heal them. Leave them out to see if they wheel them. Take them boy, the girl and nail them. You think of that, tell them, say, alright. Red Bull and Guinness in a me system. Bing the shirt, red, green, gold wristband. Boy can't face, come kiss this man. Delly Ranx is unstoppable. Y'all thing, I have to take a... Alright, you see like how I play the rhythm and I play it so nice. I get to take them way back, way back. Some y'all have a rough friend show, while some either take them friend man fit show. I big up them chest and I go on like a dan. See it ya know, girl you a go mash up them plan. I sing along, ball it out, the girl no more than you. Kick out your foot because you wanna mind you. And after that, me give them this, after that, me say I chose she no wanna sentinel pan her property. She want the freedom to do as she likes, you know. Mind the shell. And after that, me still do this. Girl, me love your passion looks. The passion where you want, the passion where you cook. With your passion, your style, your passion flex. The passion where you want, the passion where you just. I'ma tell them say, I'm a real hot girl, no carry wagga fat. If a girl wagga, that mean I show from skin off clean.
Yo, listen.
Yo, stage show. Pada.
Yo, hold on now.
That only did
So we talk about veteran and people where
you see the difference?
craft. You see the difference,
You see the difference.
All right. So the young artists when I watch this, take this as a good like, example. We not bash nobody.
Yeah.
But you
write down notes.
Yeah, when you see somebody who can do it, you know, you just scribble and write down your notes because nothing is wrong to take away something from somebody else's work.
Yeah.
And add to your craft to increase your thing. You get me, dog?
Of course.
And don't afraid to ask for help because we're all here to help each other. Not care how you see a man a go on like him greater than you, him short or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to remember, say, some people we want to ask for the help, but afraid to ask for the help because of how ego and the hype
People are going to reply to
You
them.
get me?
Just do the thing, man, and make the thing happen. Because, you see, we come of age now and we could soon get our grand youth and them thing there.
See it there?
And we want the space be nice, man. We want a free atmosphere.
That what
and
I talk about.
the virgin them and the sister them are out there. We love our business. You know, say it nah work. That nah work, you know. It nah sell. Una alone a buy it and it nah work. Una nah make no profit. Wanna stop that now? Make we have some nice fun now. Go to the party and you see a girl where you not like her. You see a youth where you and them can't deal. You nah have to look over this, so. You don't look over this, so just stay your son do what you are do.
Straight.
And make the people them go one back and hold a good vibe. The new year now, the 2020, use a vision.
You sound like you need to go in farmer like politics.
No, use your vision.
And preach to the youths them.
This time.
Yeah.
This time. Because me I watch a TV, me see a baller, him dead at 39 years old. Him just start live and him gone. So most of us will have this life. Let us do something good with it.
Yes.
Me I watch a thing on my phone today with a blind man.
You may see it too as well. Yeah.
The blind man I do farming,
Farming.
cabbage, yam, and all of these things. So if a blind man can set an example, what about we can say? Make we do something good, man. Just do something good in this society.
Yep.
Make a mark, make a good mark.
That
Because even if you kill a man and you feel like you're better than him, you're done bad.
No, you know what the best thing we say? Don't just live because you have life. Live for your purpose.
Make a mark.
That makes sense. Make a mark if you have
and
purpose.
before I cut, me ever tell you this. If you're on my Facebook, if you're a part of my
Social
WhatsApp vibe, you know, say every morning me give them a devotion
Yeah.
and me give them a reminder. Zine? And me have to tell my people them this. Zine? If you can't do good, just do better. Zine? And remember, every time before you eat, bless your food. Because while you're eating, some people now have nothing to eat. You see me?
Give
And
thanks.
if you live by those morals, it will teach you to love. And if you know how to love, you're now going to know how to eat.
Straight.
You see me?
Simple as that.
So, as are just some simple things and it don't hard, it not cost nothing. Just pay attention and life will be alright. And remember, before you retire, every night just give thanks because enough people never make it through the day. And when you're rising in the morning, give thanks because enough people never make it through the night.
Of course.
True.
You see me?
That
So
is the
I
message.
just positiveness 2020. Use your vision and make this mission purposeful.
Of course,
Straight.
people. Before we go, give us some socials. No, Delly Ranx, you can Google it, but obviously.
So you say social, some politics, you say, yo, I'm to the labor, right? You see? But anyway, can you have fun in that thing, you know?
Yes, man.
If you're Instagram savvy, you can follow me on Instagram. You know the zero with the A and the middle with the liquor part. Delly Ranx Music. DellyRanxmusic. On Facebook, Delly Ranx. Instagram, Delly Ranx. Just type in Delly Ranx in any Google engine and you go find me. You want something on that?